Good morning. Starting feet hip width, knees relaxed, hips in line, shoulders back and down, crown up towards the sky, chin parallel to the ground. One hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. So as you can see, we're looking directly west this time. So we've got the island of Lanai in the background. It's a little bit busier part of the beach, as you'll see, but still very beautiful. So we'll interlace the fingers, palms up towards the sky. Inhale, straighten the arms. Exhale to the left. Inhale, center. Exhale, arms down. Inhale, lengthen the arms. Exhale, right. Inhale, back. Exhale, down. Again, inhale. And exhale, over. Inhale, center. Exhale, down. Inhale. Exhale, right. Inhale, center. Exhale, down. And we'll inhale. Now twist as we exhale. Inhale, back. Exhale, down. Inhale. Exhale, twist. Inhale, back. Exhale, down. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. Exhale, down. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. Exhale, down. Bringing the arms down. And we will gently roll the shoulders back. And roll the shoulders forwards. And then just the left one forward. And the right one back. And then both together, so left forward, right one back. Left forward, right back. Or just some kind of movement. Then we'll go right one forward. And left one back. And together, right forward, left back. And shake the arms out. Alright, so taking the legs a little bit wider than hip width, bending the knees, fingertips to the back of the head, and keeping the hips still. We're just doing a little twist, just around the thoracic area, just around the chest. So arms stay back and relaxed. Now we'll twist at the waist, keeping those hips still. Twist right through the hips, the knees, and the ankles. And let the arms come down and swing from side to side. Alright, so we're working onto the hip roll, so bending the knees again. We're hula hooping the hips with a little tilt backwards and forwards. And the other way. change again. And one more. And relaxing there. So balance pose. We'll do dancer's pose. So I think I'll do the opposite leg. And take hold of the left foot with the left hand. Bring the right arm up. We'll inhale and exhale. Just go a little way to start with. So we'll do 3 on each side. And coming down onto the other side, taking hold of the right foot with the right hand, left arm up. Inhale, so exhale, lifting the thigh, keeping that foot away from the bottom, and breathe. And down. Again, standing on the right, take hold of the left foot. So we'll try and go a little bit further this time. Inhale, exhale, lifting the leg a little higher. So pushing the foot into the hand. And we'll change sides. And taking hold of that right foot. Inhale, exhale, lifting the leg. And down. So one more each side. Making sure we're steady on that right foot. Take hold of the left. And when you're ready, inhale, exhale, lifting the thigh. Pushing the foot away, reaching forward with that right arm. And coming down, last one. You're taking hold of the right, inhale, exhale, coming into your best dancer's pose. Remember, nothing should hurt. So if you're overarching that lower back and it doesn't feel good, then just come down. Okay, so standing pose. We'll start with high lunge. Left foot forward, right foot back. Both sets of toes facing forwards. So the back heel is up, the front knee is down. We're going to add a twist. So inhale and exhale, twist towards that bent leg. Inhale back to center, exhale, twist. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale and exhale. We're going to do another 5 if it feels okay. So maybe sink a little bit lower. Inhale. Exhale, twist. Inhale back and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, last one. Exhale, twist. Inhale back. Bring the arms down. Bring that back leg forward. And do the other side. So start with the feet hip width. Keep that parallel distance. Right leg forward, left leg back. Make sure that left heel is up, right knee bent. So once you're steady, bring the arms out, shoulder level. Inhale, exhale, twist. Inhale back, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale back. So another 5 if you're up for it. Exhale, twist, inhale, center. Exhale, inhale. Exhale, inhale. Exhale, inhale. Last one. Exhale, twist, inhale back. Bring the arms down and bring the feet back. And I'll just have a little think about what we'll do next. And we'll do eagle pose. So left arm across, right on top. Bring the forearms up. Just holding there. So do the other side. So right arm across, left on top, forearms up, palms together. Yeah, so if you suddenly saw the paddle borders appearing from nowhere, just had to make a decision what to do with. I'm not wearing any shorts underneath the old sarong there. So I figured an eagle pose is safest. So again, left arm across, right arm up, palms together. And lifting the elbows if that feels good. And coming down, right across, left on top, forearms up, palms together. And for that deeper stretch, we're lifting the elbows. And coming down. Okay, so we bring the left leg across the right, toes around the back of the calf. And then left arm across, right on top, and into eagle pose. And coming down, other side. So right leg over the left, tucking the toes around the back if you can. Or you can always leave the toes in the sand. And then right arm across, left on top, palms together. And coming down. So we'll do one more each side. So steady on that right foot, little bend in the knee. Bring the left one high and across. So squeezing the legs together. And when you're ready, bring the left arm across, right on top, palms together. And then if you want to take it further, we'll bring the elbow down to the knee. So try and steady the breathing. And coming on up, last one. So a little bend in that left knee. And bring the right one high. And then squeezing the legs together, tucking the toes around the back. And bring that right arm across the body, left one on top. So palms together as much as you can. Remember, nothing should hurt. And if you want to, bring the elbow down to the knee. And carefully coming on up. So we'll do one more standing pose. We'll do warrior one. So left foot forward with the left knee bent, right foot behind with the right heel down. And we're trying to bring the hips facing forwards, shoulders above the hips. So you can either keep the hands to the chest or bring the arms up. If it doesn't feel good with the palms together, you can always have the arms apart. We're going to hold in this basic warrior one. Now come down to the other side. So right foot forward, bending that right knee. So left foot is behind the right foot. The left heel down. Bring the arms up if you want to. Hold and breathe. So bring the arms down, and we'll do one more each side. And if you want, we shall add the eagle arms. So you've got the left foot forward, right foot back. You can either keep the hands to the chest or bring the arms up. Or with the eagle arms. I'm going to take the left arm across the body, right one on top. Forearms up, palms together. Now if that feels okay, maybe even look up to the sky. So lifting the arms, arching the back, and looking up. Be carefully coming on out. So other side, so right foot forward, left foot back. Bending that right knee, trying to bring the hips facing forwards. So options, hands to the chest, or bring the arms up, or eagle arms. So the right arm across, left on top. Palms together. So try and push the hands away from the face. And then lifting the arms, arching the back, and looking up. And breathe. Remember, if you're holding on to the breath, you are trying too hard. And we carefully come on out. And we shall finish with the good posture and the breathing. So crown to the sky, chin parallel to the ground. One hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose. And the in breath to the lower hand. And we're bringing the arms down, and we're all done.